Hey everybody, it's Levon Arnold Mechanics. I just wanted to introduce myself, introduce the team, take you through the shop, let you see all of our stuff, all of our fun. So obviously this is a sign, no big deal there. Parking area, we have a system for everything, so when cars are finished, they come out and they get parked along this line. We call it the finish line. That's why it's got racing stripes on it. Over here is our key drop too, so contactless right now in quarantine. That's more important than ever.
Do you want to like point that out a little bit more so people can kind of see it?
Over in the corner.
Perfect.
Tucked away. Normally there's not cars blocking it when you park. So. And this is our detail shop, Boise Auto Salon. Tony's in there working on a car right now. Paint polishing, all the fun stuff.
Should we go say hi to Tony and see what he's doing?
Go say hi.
Okay.
He loves what he does. He does a great job. I love what he does. So, and customers. So that's more important than just getting started with this one.
Hey Tony, do you want to say hi to everybody?
Hello.
What do you do here?
Detail the cars. Make them look pretty.
Make them look pretty.
Yeah.
That's basically it.
That's it, yeah. Oh! All right, we're gonna head out. Thanks, Tony.
Obviously, we keep our air compressor in there too, so Tony probably doesn't love that. But,
Do you want to introduce our other teammate here?
oh yeah.
That is Bub, our shop dog.
Yeah, shop mascot, one of
Yeah.
a couple. He's always with us. He's very friendly, and he will want to smell you. So that's the rest of our parking. We're in Napa Auto Care Center. We love that. Don't drive in there when you get here if it's open.
Yeah, those are our parking spots if you want to park there. Not there if it's open. This is the office that we're gonna step into. Are you gonna come, Bub?
Come on. He has to wait for permission before he comes in the doors. It's good.
All right.
So we always keep our office cleaned a couple times a week at least. More when we're busy every day. It's really important for me to make everything feel more comfortable and inviting. And I like being clean, so that's just the way it is. A counter, we have contactless pickup and drop-offs right now during quarantine. You can see all of our chemicals. You can see cardboard me in the back. My guys call it the eye of Sauron. I'm always watching everybody, but it's fun. Brian's back here working too.
Should we go say hi to Brian?
Yeah, it's bugging.
Hello.
That's Brian, our service writer. Yeah, he's awesome. Even though sometimes we call him the bearer of bad news, because he's the one that'll tell you how much it'll be to fix what you got going on.
What's the damage?
It is the damage. For anybody wondering, behind the camera is Brianna. I'll answer the phone sometimes, do all of our marketing, fun stuff like that. Oh yeah, that's my little workspace. I kind of live behind that cool little sign over there. But so while we're right here, do you want to walk us through like what we have going on here?
Oh yeah, so we do our wipes. We've been wiping down the office like crazy, a couple of times a day. This is medical grade disinfectant, which I got from a friend because everybody sold out. But we just found a place to resupply with, so that's great. It's a viricide that we use, hand sanitizer, and gloves, and the cleaning stuff. We wipe down every car right now. We're an essential service, so we're trying to keep everybody going, keep everybody protected in these times. We also have some extreme measures. If anybody gets infected, there's chlorine bombs. They smell terrible, but they are out and they disinfect in a big way in everything in the car. So it's really nice. We're prepared for all of this. It's nice to have the detail in conjunction with the repair so we can combine those things and make sure everybody's really getting taken care of.
Awesome.
Also, we do have extra discounts for essential service providers and employees. So keep that in mind. We reduce prices because of the service they're doing for the community. So.
All right. Should we go in the shop?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah.
So that's our key rack. No biggie. I hate
Look how
losing
pretty.
keys, so.
All right. Whoop. got some cars in today.
Yeah, we've been staying pretty busy, staying pretty steady. Not as busy as we normally would be right now, but you know, we're getting through it. Everybody's slow, and we're just really trying to take advantage of the time we have that we can separate from our vehicles that we don't normally have.
Yeah.
As you can see, we work on a lot of different types of vehicles, all makes, all models. We've got a big truck rack.
Yeah.
And then
That
my
one's a big one.
And then my office upstairs. If you've ever been up there, you will laugh at how short the ceiling is. I can't stand up there, but that's okay.
Okay, I'm only like 5'5.5", and I can't stand.
I'm like this far away when I'm sitting in my chair. That's, you know, you make do with what you got.
That's
so.
true, and it works.
Yeah,
It's cozy.
Yeah.
Bub likes it, huh?
He's got his little window
Yeah.
up there. It's pretty cute, actually. You can see everybody who's coming in. He can tell me when somebody's here. He gets excited.
It looks like we have 2 viewers, so write us something, guys. We'll say hi to you.
Yeah, definitely. Give us some feedback. We'll be doing more live videos, maybe once or twice a month, maybe once a week. Maybe, I don't know if I have that much energy, but...
Hi, Jeanette.
So that's where we're at. That's what we're doing. We're doing everything we can right now to keep everything going, and we've been staying steady. So come see us while you have time to lose.
Should we go meet Mario?
Oh yeah. Mario's alone out here, so a lot of times right now. So he's like I don't want to call him a cave troll because I love him, but.
Hi, Mario.
Hi.
What do you do here?
I work on the cars, do everything pretty much, as far as diagnosis to repairs.
Awesome.
So Mario is master certified. He is exceptionally diligent, exceptionally smart. I trust him a lot, and I'm very grateful for him. I'm sorry I called you a cave troll.
What?
Don't tell. So that's our shop. I don't think you guys want to see the bathrooms or anything like that. So, you know, we do have them now. They're clean. Clean is a big thing around here. I don't know what else we have to cover, but definitely give us some feedback. Let us know what you think, and you know, we'll be seeing you guys soon.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.